Want to start Google Cloud Arcade but confused how to begin, how to start your journey and get some cool goodies. So in this video, I'll show you a quick overview how you can participate, how you can join the Google Cloud Arcade challenges, and what are the some basic criteria you need to know before we start the event. So make sure to subscribe the channel and do like the video. So let's move ahead to the next step. First of all, you have to come to this website, that is skills.google. From here, if you're completely new to this platform, means you are participating for the first time, you have to click on this join option. And here it will show some options over there. Like you can create your account with Google, means the Google account, the Gmail account which you are using on your device, or you have a traditional method also. Like you can just manually fill all the details and date of birth. Now here is the catch. Even if you create account with Google, this option will come. Now here you have to mention your original date of birth, or maybe any date of birth that is 18 plus. If you try to add date of birth which is less than 18 plus, then your account will be deleted. Just wanted to clarify this important step because most people are doing this mistake. And if you are under 80, then you can participate with the name of your brothers and sisters. There is no issue. Okay, they'll be guiding you throughout the journey. See, this is a learning program. If you don't know about Arcade Program, here we are learning about cloud computing free of cost in a gamified manner, like we earn badges and get some cool goodies. So there is no issue. You can participate. Now, if you have already account, you can simply sign in, or if you don't have, just create account with Google. Now, once you create it, you will be redirected to this page. Now, the first thing what you need to do, you have to go to your profile, go to the settings, and at the bottom, you'll see this option. Let me first of all do it for you. Do not do it, just watch carefully. So when you create the account for the first time, it will look like this. You have to click on this checkbox and simply make update settings. Now, once you see your profile is accessible, okay, once you see your profile is accessible, you have to come to this arcade homepage. Don't worry, all the links are present in the description box of this video. You have to come over here and click on this subscribe here. Now here we have to fill a form just like we fill any entrance form, and it is very important. See, if you miss this form, means this subscription form, you won't be eligible for the swags even if you earn more and more points. So this is the first step, okay, you have to do. Now what you need to do, with the same email ID, how you'll find it, you have to come again to the profile and settings and find the same email ID and copy it and paste over here and just click on next. Do not add any other email address, otherwise it will cause conflict and you won't be eligible for the swags. Here what the rules are saying that you need to subscribe, means you need to fill the form for getting the prizes and you won't be changing the profile. So what you need to do not touch the settings. Once you fill the subscription form, do not open the settings, okay. Do not disable it or enable the profile because it will cause some issues over there. So once all things are done, here some important things are mentioned, like prizes won't be available immediately, means once you claim, like most people are saying, I have completed 11 arcade points, will I get the prizes instantly? So the answer is no. You'll be getting prizes in June 2026. For that also a related video is there, I'll share you, and all things are there. So after that, simply click on yes and yes. So once all the things are done, okay, you have filled the subscription forms, that means you are ready for playing the games. Now it's very simple how to join the game. You have to come over here and click on this start option, okay. Click on this start option and let me show you a demo. So when you click on the start option, you have to simply join the game and find the access code. You can see the access code is listed over here. You have to simply paste the access code over here, and after that, once you paste the access code, here are the labs, okay. You have to open the labs one by one, and for the solution guide, how I'll find the solution guide, I have attached the master sheet. Let me just show you. So this is our master sheet. Okay, in the description box I've shared, you have to click on this monthly games. Or another method is that you can just navigate to the playlist section and see all the solutions depending on whatever badge you are completing. For example, week 1 completing, week 2 completing, level 1 completing, all things are covered over here. Or if you want a systematic sheet, on the next of here, video guide, the solution is there, and on the left is the lab link, etc., and access code is there. Sometimes it does not work, means the links are unable to copy. You are unable to copy the links. In that case, you have to come to this website directly. Okay, I hope it clears your basic doubts regarding how to join the game. Now coming to the swags, okay. You participated, you won the badges. So when you'll be getting the swags, as I said earlier, in the June itself. Okay, you won't be getting the swags instantly. And just by completing 11 arcade points, also you won't be getting swags. You need to see, for getting swags, there are price tier. Price tier will be updated each each year. Okay. So in previous year we had minimum 25 points. So you need to keep earning more points. Do not worry, whenever a new update is there, I'll make a video for that. This video was basic informative video for how you can start your journey with Google Cloud Arcade and participate in the challenge. If you still have any doubts, okay, if you still have any doubts, here is the playlist related to all your queries like leaderboard, skill badges, old details, etc. How to participate, a detailed guide is there. Okay. One more query most people are asking, that if I have already completed some of the badges, means, see, if you completed these badges like arcade badges, then you can use the old account. If you're participating in Gen AI, ML challenge, okay, wherever you haven't completed any skill badges, okay, what are skill badges, what are lab free courses, what are all these things, okay, I have also covered over here. Okay, you can just see over here, there is no issue. Wait a second, let me just see. So yes, here, what do arcade games mean? Skill badges I have covered. You can watch it and understand. If you have not done any skill badges, then you can use the old account. If you have done, then just create a new account. Okay, there is no need to ask any other questions. Simply create it. So this was a quick update. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day. And it's very easy. You have to simply create an account, sign in, make profile public, and just fill the subscription form. You are good to go.